Hey everybody, it's your girl Jordan Elizabeth Gelber here, and today I had an amazing day. I just got back from the We Are 8 official launch event, I would say. It's called, I can remember my shirt right now, it says I rep the people, We Are 8. We Are 8 is an amazing brand platform that connects brands with influencers, and they have an amazing message behind it, all about community and outreach, and they have some great people on board, including one of my favorite artists, Shepard Fairey, who very famously does the Obey line, as well as the Great Obama poster everyone loves, and oh my god, it was so great. And my friend Beek Smith was the photographer for the evening. All the influencers that attended had the chance to get a photo shoot with Beek for the campaign for We Are 8, and I'm so excited to work with them. I'll put their information down below, but I wanted to share because I'm so excited. That's why I'm in this crazy hotel room in New York City. I'm not staying at home today, having a little R&R night for myself. They have free coffee at my hotel, so let's get this party started. I have been lugging around this box for about a month. A few months ago now, actually like a month and a half ago now, I received my first Geek Gear Wizardry box because I've been dying to have one of these boxes, and I've kept it sealed. Like you can see here, it is sealed, hasn't been opened, hasn't been touched. I've been wanting these boxes for forever because I don't know, I've just been living in the world of magicalness and Hogwartsness and Harry Potter all the timeness. It's already been a very magical month. I got to go to Universal, which I'll talk about in another video. I got to go to the Wizarding World of Harry Potter at Universal. It was crazy. I got to finally see Diagon Alley, and oh my goodness, and I just have to thank them a million times, Universal Orlando Resort, for just allowing me to go. They were really great sponsoring my trip. And also then I came home, and lo and behold, my great friend Diane, who I will also plug here because she is an amazing influencer and actress, and she got me tickets to see Harry Potter and the Cursed Child on Broadway. So that was amazing. And to celebrate this magical month of May, say that 3 times fast, I'm going to finally unbox this box in my hotel room. I'm all about having fun and living like a crazy person at the moment, me and my Hogwarts fantasy world. So let's get cracking. I'm gonna open this box, I'll give you guys a sneak peek, and we'll see what happens. Let me find a knife. Okay, so I'm gonna open this box. I don't have a knife here, that's fine. I do have my wand from Ollivander's behind me, but we're just gonna pretend that the bed behind me isn't messy. Okay, I am going to, I ripped open the tab. Let's see, sneak peek. Ooh. Those that don't know, I'm House Gryffindor, although every time I take the test, I've taken the Pottermore quiz twice, and the first time was Gryffindor, and then I got a new email, and the second time was Ravenclaw, and then I got another new email that I use for all my marketing and influencing stuff, and that came out as Gryffindor. So I'm like, and then I took the new big test that everyone's taking, and it said I'm like 50% Ravenclaw, 50% Gryffindor. So I'm just, you know, a hybrid, but I'm all about Gryffindor. Red is my favorite color. You know, my last name's Gelber. I'm all about G, and Gryffindor is what I got sorted in first. So, So this is like a special. In April, they had this like discounted box of all these different things. I figured I wanted to see one that I hadn't gotten yet or hadn't seen online yet. So let's see all these items. So the first item, ooh, is a t-shirt. It is, oh look, it has the owl, and it has the feathers for all the houses. Look at that. Probably wear this to the gym, like motivate myself with some magicalness. But here is the t-shirt. Like they have one for each house, although the colors are a little interesting to me. This yellow is very neon-y, so I don't know. Actually, I don't know if I would wear this. It seems like more like good unisex shirt. It's just not my style. I like the plain sweaters though. I'm a graphic designer, so I'm like always picking out these things. Like I love the fact that there are these weird rough edges, and they have this weird like almost filter-like effect on the feathers. But I do like how they drew the owl, and it looks kind of like wings with the paint splatter, so that's kind of cool. Next, I have another t-shirt, a long sleeve shirt. Ooh, this is cool. It says, "To the well-organized mind, death is but the next great adventure." And there's a phoenix. I love phoenixes. Phoenixes are where it's at. I love Fox and Phoenix, and I use the analogy of rising from the ashes a lot because, you know, everyone has the opportunity to start from scratch and start all over again, so you can always revive yourself. I do like this. It's an interesting design. I don't really like the block white. I maybe would have liked it if almost the colors were reversed. Cool. I love long sleeve shirts. I'm all about long sleeve shirts. Oh, there's more stuff. Ooh. Oh my god, this is so cool. Okay, so I'm gonna take this out. It's a little tapestry and it has such cute little anecdotes on it. Oh, I lied. Not a tapestry. It is a pillowcase. So this pillowcase is really cool. You can see there is I want to show you the cool thing. There's like an owl. I love that there's Harry Potter's glasses on it. They have the badger, the snake, the eagle, and the lion all on that. It looks almost like guitar picks in this cool weird way. And then the lightning bolt, and a bunch of keys. It looks like a musical print, which is interesting to me. I love like the mandala effect. I definitely would put this on my pillows at home. I'm in the middle of redoing my apartment, so we'll see how that goes. But this is cool. It's that weird canvas material, so I might not use it as like a pillowcase, but I could definitely use it to like store stuff in. I would totally do that. Ooh. I said I was Gryffindor, but they gave me a Slytherin tie, so that's cool, I guess. So any of my Slytherin friends out there who would like a Slytherin tie, we'll hook you up with a Slytherin tie. And that's cool. Let's see what kind of material it is. Oh, it's not bad material. I mean, you could use it. You could wear it. If I was Slytherin, I might wear it. Not really my style, but cool. Oh my god. Yes, please be cookie cutters. There is cookie cutters. Cookie cutter. I don't know what this is. What, can you see what this is? I don't know what this is. It's like, I don't know. It looks like it could be a sweater, but there are two of them. I'm not gonna take it out of its wrapping because I don't want to get it dirty, but that's kind of cool. Ooh, there's so many things. Ooh, there's a print. Let's look what the print is. I have a whole wall in my office area above my desk that I have all these like prints of things that I've done, made, or been in. So I'm always looking for cute new posters to kind of put up. Geeky Craft Stuff Limited. Oh my god, it's a chocolate frog print. I saw this in another unboxing. How cool is that? I love the attention to detail on this. I love that it looks like it's popping out at you and there's so much texture. Ooh, and it's signed. Now that is cool that it's signed. I love texture, and being a graphic designer, like I love how they have like some real almost foil elements mixed with like, you can't see it, but there's like brush strokes on these frogs. And what I love about graphic design and layering things is you can put so many different textures together. Like it looks almost like you could just pet it and it would be so smooth. Very cool. I was hoping it would be that print. And there's a wand. There's so much more stuff in here. Like I can't even tell you. There's so much more stuff in here. Ooh, it's like a heavy wand. Oh, this is nice. Look at this. I'm gonna look at this is like a nice wand. I have my Ollivander's wand. Where's my Ollivander wand? But yeah, this wand from Ollivander's is like very light, and this is like heavy. This is like, you could really beat someone up with this, but like the length, this is the one from Ollivander's at Universal. It's a little shorter. This is a very long wand. It's almost like Hermione's wand with all the vines. Let's see whose it is with this. A little like blue element to it. Very nice. It's a nice wand. It's like a legit wand. Accio next box. Let's see. Ooh, magical golden egg. This. Come seek us where our voices sound. And we cannot sing above the ground. And while you're searching, ponder this. We've taken what you are serving this. Yay, the fire. The golden egg. Yeah, I have a little golden egg. Ready? I know this one doesn't open, that would be super dope. But this one, I love how intricate a lot of these things are. Just like the wood and the design in this one, the design in the actual egg, you can like see it. It's like super carved. It looks so handmade. Love attention to detail. I will find a place to put this in my house. Ooh, tea. Now, it's the chocolate frog tea. I am so excited to open this up because I keep seeing all these amazing YouTubers smell the Geek Gear tea and like go crazy. I'm gonna have my moment right now. Yes, oh my god, it smells like I just bit into like the biggest Hershey kiss. It smells almost like rooibos chai. Let's see, it's rooibos chai. Black tea, cocoa husk, cocoa shell, flavorings, sunflower petals. So it's chocolate infusion tea. I'm gonna keep with me tomorrow. Maybe I'll have it at work. Oh, it's like something in here. Oh, it's so cool. It's another chocolate frog, but it's a chocolate frog pendant. Oh, it's very heavy. I love how like, there are like some legit things. But look at this, it's a giant chocolate frog. This is cool. I kind of wish this was a keychain almost, but it's really cool. It's got like this greeny gray and gold color, which is nice. I like that you can match with anything. The chain is pretty good, it's sturdy. It's a bit big for me to wear. I don't know if I would wear it. Maybe if it was like on a choker or something, I might wear it so it's like higher up on my chest, but I do really like it. I love the attention to detail, all the grooves and everything. It's like solid stuff. Ooh. Got smushed. Okay. One passenger for a single journey, bus ticket. Wizardry Shrunken Head. This is Shrunken Head. I'm gonna laugh really hard. It is the Shrunken Head. This is so funny. So this is the Shrunken Head from the night bus. It's gonna show me all the places that I need to go. I am kind of scared a little scared because this guy looks really mangly. He looks really scary. Your face. You know, it's funny. Hang him up. If I had a car, I would put him in my car. After seeing the night bus in Universal and having a lovely little Shrunken Head all to myself, feels like I know where to go now. If I ever need anything, I'll just take out my Shrunken Head and it'll just take me anywhere I need to go. What else? Oh. I got the iconic train. I do know what this is, so let's open that up. It's a little Hogwarts train. So when I redo my desk, I'm definitely gonna put this on here. How great is this? Oh, attention to detail. It says Hogwarts Express, like super tiny right here. Just wish I could like jump on the back and like go inside. I'm definitely gonna put this on my desk so I can look at it every day and remember where I'm going and where I want to go, and you know, going to Hogwarts. I mean, I'm gonna do a whole video from my vlog at Universal to talk about all of the fact that I went to Diagon Alley. I got everything that I needed for, you know, my trip to Hogwarts. I got a wand, got some stuff at the robe store, you know, went to Gringotts, got some coin. I'm all prepared. I'm ready. I am ready. I almost got one when I was in Universal. I just really was more interested in getting like a ticket. I collect replicas, but it's not like my go-to thing. So I got myself a keychain with the ticket on it. It's a platform 9 3/4. So anytime I need to escape, I have a way out, which is cool. Snowy owl. Oh, it's an owl. Like really excited right now. So I have little snowy owl. You can see here. New best friend, we should name him. I mean, I know it's like white and snowy like Hedwig, but I feel like it's my own owl. I should probably name it. Oh, you know what? If you want to help name my new owl, you can comment below and we'll pick a name out together. Ooh. Stop it right now. I've always wanted one of these and I've never bought one. I was like, I'll finally get one. I don't know when. It's a bath bomb, but not only is it a bath bomb, it's a butterscotch bath bomb. So it's almost like a butterbeer bath bomb. I've had so many butterbeer things in the last month. I've had butterbeer at Universal, the can't believe it's not butterbeer drink at Harry Potter and the Cursed Child, and now I have a butterscotch bath bomb. I am so stoked. I love the smell of this. I'm all about it. It's like frosting. It's everything I needed in life. Oh, and the wrapping paper has all the Hogwarts houses on it. Stop it. Yo, I want to jump in this bath right now. It is huge. Oh my gosh. The biggest bath bomb ever. It's like the size of my head. It is insane. Vacation. It smells like almost like coconut. Like creamy and vanilla-y. Reminds me of suntan lotion. Oh, I love it though, but it's like, I love like warm, musky scents. I'm all about that. I wear like vanilla a lot and coconut, and it smells so good. I cannot wait to use it. Oh my god. Now, last but not least, we have the print. So I looked up what my order was. This was a whole like big just kind of mystery box. So this is a print. It's a Ravenclaw print for all my Ravenclaws out here. So I guess the reason why there's a whole bunch of different things from different houses is because it was just a mix of a bunch of stuff. But look at this Ravenclaw print, learning, wit, and wisdom. Learning, wit, and wisdom. So I hope you guys like it. It's really sporty. I feel like there's like a lot of sporty, more guy-y stuff than girly stuff, but I think it works because I know it's a unisex box. Yeah, I mean, they're cute. I'm probably gonna give the non-Gryffindor things away to my friends, or maybe I'll do a giveaway. But I think my favorite thing, I really do like this chocolate frog pendant. I really like it. It's very big, so that's like the only downfall, but I do really like it. It's really cute. Probably, if not the bath bomb, I don't know what to choose. Oh no, definitely the train. I loved the train. It had such great detail. It was super cute. This wand is also really badass. It's like really heavy. So I hope you enjoyed watching my video. I'm gonna do more unboxings, I think, just in a better setup, not with my phone, tripod, and selfie ring light. But I wanted to celebrate a really magical month. I'm going to probably do a whole thing about my trip to the Wizarding World of Harry Potter, but I just wanted to say thank you so much for watching. I am so grateful for all these amazing experiences, and I'm gonna keep sharing them with all of you. So keep your eyes out for my Universal video. It is taking a while because I have a lot of footage to comb through. Big things are coming, and I wish big things for all of you. And message me, say hi, check me out on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube. We're still building that up, so I will see you guys soon, and I'll put more information below about Geek Gear and the great event I went today, and anything else you guys want to know, let me know. This is Jordan Elizabeth Gelber, and I hope to see you soon, and have a great rest of your day.